Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will be discussing the topic of phonetic sounds. This is a fundamental concept in phonetics and it helps us understand how speech sounds are created. There are several factors involved, including the role of the vocal cord, airflow and different articulator in the mouth and throat. The reason for choosing this topic because this is the fundamental to understanding how language is spoken and heard. As a student in the field of English education, it's essential to understand how speech is physically produced, not just at the theoretical level but also in practice. And the sound production is begin with the vocal cord located in the larynx when air is pushed from the lungs it passes through the vocal cords. Depending on whether the cord fibers or not, we get voices or voiceless sounds. For example, in English, the sound V is voiceless because the vocal cord fiber, while S is voiceless. So alpha is critical in producing sounds, typically produced by the movement of air from the lungs through the vocal tract and out of the mouth or nose. The manner in which air is absorbed or altered in the vocal tract creates different sounds. For example, plosive sounds like P and T occur when airflow is temporarily blocked and then released. Sounds can be divided into vowels and consonants. Vowels are produced with open vocal tract, allowing air to flow freely, while consonant involves some degree of block or constriction. Each language has a unique set of sounds or phonemes that distinguish one word from another. Inflection, producing sound is involves a combination of vocal, voice vibration, echo, and the movement by various articulators. By understanding this mechanism, we gain a deeper insight into how speech is formed and communicated. So, that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.